Hello students, welcome in math class. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is inequalities. You have done some part of this chapter in 10th standard also under the heading linear inequations. So, before starting that chapter, let's discuss its objectives first. In this chapter, we are having two objectives. First, introduction and basics of inequalities, and second is solving quadratic inequalities. Quadratic means the variable having degree 2. So, let's start first with the introduction and basics. Now, linear inequalities means not equal to sign. It may be less than equal to, greater than or greater than equal to. So we can say that two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by less than, greater than, less than equal to or greater than equal to symbol to form an inequality. For example, 7 is less than 11. Or 5 whole 1 by 2 is greater than minus 3. X plus 5 is less than equal to 7. 3y plus 2 is greater than equal to 11. Here, first two examples doesn't contain any variable. So, these are the numerical inequalities. In the third and the fourth example, they are including a variable x and y. So these are called the literal inequalities. Now further, literal inequalities are divided into two parts. That is, linear inequalities means having variable with degree 1, or second, it is a quadratic inequalities. It means having variable with degree 2. Let's start with the second objective, that is solving quadratic inequalities. Now, there are four types of quadratic inequalities. First, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0. Then ax square plus bx plus c less than 0. Third one, ax square plus bx plus c greater than equal to 0, and fourth one is a ax square plus bx plus c less than equal to 0, where a, b, c all are the real numbers, and we will solve these inequalities with the help of method of intervals. I will explain these methods in the examples. Before starting the quadratic inequalities, we must note down something, that is, for greater than or less than sign, we will use the open intervals, that is circular bracket. Second, for greater than equal to or less than equal to, we will always use closed interval, that is the square bracket. And for infinity and minus infinity, we will use the circular bracket. Let's start with the very first example related to the topic. Solve x square plus x minus 6 is greater than equal to 0. So very first thing that we have to start the solution is to write the corresponding equation of the inequality. So we will replace the greater than equal to sign with the equal to sign, like this. So very first step is put fx is equal to 0. In the second step, we have to find the factors. So here sum is coming out to be plus 1 and product is minus 6. So its factors will be plus 3 and minus 2. So it will become x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now from the first two term, x is common. So we are left with x plus 3. Here minus 2 common. So left with x plus 3 equal to 0. So two factors are x plus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. When you equate the factors equal to 0 like this, we will get two values, that is x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2. So after second step, we have done the third step, we have find the values of x. Now in fourth step, we have to plot the x values on the number line. It means we have to plot only these two values on the number line. I have plotted the number minus 2, minus 3 and 2, then infinity and minus infinity like this. Now for method of intervals, we have seen that it is divided into three parts. So draw this wave-like structure like this. Then always start with the plus sign from the right hand side. So plus, minus, plus. From here we will get the solution set. Now for writing the solution set, we will check the sign of inequality given in the question, that is greater than equal to sign. Now greater than equal to means positive. Now we have to check in which form we are getting the plus signs. We are getting plus in these two intervals. So solution set is minus infinity till minus 3. Here I have used the square bracket because two signs are there, greater than, equal to, and union second interval is 2 till infinity. In this way we can find the solution set for the quadratic inequality. Let's do one more example to better understand the topic. Solve minus x square plus 3x minus 2 greater than equal to 0. Here x square having minus sign. So in the very first step we will make it positive. When you will make it positive, you will have to multiply with minus 1. So when you multiply with minus 1, the sign of inequality changes. It will become less than equal to. Now we have to solve this inequality. Again, first step, we have to write down the corresponding equation. Replace the less than equal to sign with equal to sign. Now again, second step, find the factors. Sum is minus 3, product is plus 2. So factors are minus 1 and minus 2. So when you put the values and solve it for finding the value of x. So x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here x is common. So in bracket x minus 1 will be there. In this case minus 2 will be common and x minus 1 is there, equal to 0. So finally we got two factors, x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. When you equate the factors equal to 0, we will get two values, that is x equal to 1 or x equal to 2. Now plot these two numbers on the number line. That is like this, minus infinity, 1, 2 and infinity. Again draw this wave-like structure, then put the sign plus, minus, plus. Now check the inequality of the sign that we have solved, that is less than equal to. Less than equal to means negative, minus sign. Now we are having minus sign in this interval only. So solution is 1, 2 and closed bracket is there. Let's do one more example. Solve x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. Look here, we are having four factors. So very first step is same, change into the equation. So we have put the equal to sign. Now equate each factor equal to 0. X equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. From here we will get the four values, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now plot these 4 points on the number line. It is minus infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinity. Again draw this wave Start with the plus sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now for answer we have to check the greater than sign. Greater than sign means positive. Now in 3 intervals we are getting positive sign. 1, 2 and 3. So all will be in the solution set. So solution set is minus infinity till 0 because we are greater than sign. So I am using the open interval, circular bracket. Union 1 till 2, then union 3 till infinity. In this way we can find the solution sets for the quadratic inequalities and the inequalities having more than 2 factors. Solutions are very easy if we use a method of intervals. Now students, you are able to solve sums related to the quadratic inequalities. Before starting the worksheet given in SNAP homework, you must go through the links guided in the SNAP homework. Thank you.